Hi everybody. I have another In a Moment with Nature spoken word poem poetry. I sat out under tall pine trees where squirrels roam, running from tree to tree. Under blue skies, not a cloud in the sky. But as we look over yonder, we see some chemtrails forming clouds. But as they form, we see the hot sun coming, burning them away. I see more insects today, flying low, bouncing around. Birds coming, doing their thing. And right above me, there's a bird nest, if you can see it. Not too high up. As I lie underneath it. Dried leaves shake on spider webs in the treetop, blown by the cool breeze, saturating my body before it flutter, not so fast, not so slow, to the ground. The crickets, I hear them. The tweeting of the birds. The flying eagles. Flying high in the blue heavens. Soaring, gliding above treetops. Eagles play. As I lie here soaking up the sun, so bright, white as light. The sun beams down on my copper-colored skin. Absorbing the heat getting darker and darker every summer. In the wintertime, I'm a shade lighter because the sun don't shine as bright. or as hot as it does in the summertime. But did you realize we didn't really have a winter last year? Not like the winters I have seen, such as the vortex, I think of 2013, where it was really, really cold. The pine straws in the pine trees were covered with ice. The ground covered with ice. It's very, very cold. It has not been that cold since. Though it was a little bit more colder this year than the year before. But I'm not absolutely sure because I stay hot, like lava burning in my flesh the whole time this last winter. Kicking the cover off, covering back up, kicking the cover off, covering back up the whole entire winter. With the heater on, a space heater, and a fan by my bed when needed. Oh, here goes, I don't know if he's a wasp, or what they could know. He can't be a dirt dog because he's brown. Dirt dogs are black. Just come flying towards me. She didn't land though, or he didn't land. Maybe insects don't have genders, I don't know. They lay eggs, so. There's a plane flying by. There he comes back again. There's this plane flying by. Oh, there it goes. It's a white plane, you see it? I don't know if you can see it, but it's a full white plane. I don't know if it's a dirt duster, which I doubt very seriously because they're flying too high to be a crop duster. I don't know where they're going, but they're always flying back and forth somewhere overhead. But anyway, what was I saying? I don't know. But here's a beautiful bird. I don't know if you can see him or her, but she just landed in that treetop right there. Every moving thing catches my eyes. Right now, I'm seeing out of one eye. And that one eye catches everything moving. Sometimes there's nothing there. But at this present, there's a bird there. I don't know if you can see it. But I have my phone video in there just in case you can. And anyway, this heat feels good. It's burning my chest, making me hot. There you go again. Before I go in, and my phone gets too hot, I want to go over here and see if there's a bird. In the bird's nest I put in the trees. I put in this tree a couple of years ago, I think. Okay, you're right there. Let me see if there's been a bird in here or not. It's a little hole, so it probably fits a hummingbird, someone said, I don't know. I know a big bird can't get in there. Cardinal might get in there. I don't think so. Blue jay, I don't think so. Because I think blue jays and cardinals and Royal color, these birds that are here are beautiful, beautiful deep colored bluebird and the deep colored red birds. They're always here with the eagles. I haven't seen an owl, though I hear them often. I hear whippoorwill. I hear the owl now. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I looked it up to see which bird that is here. And I think it's a bird. I forgot the name of that bird. But it doesn't matter. Then I hear the whippoorwill at night a lot. Sometimes I hear him during the day. But I've never seen a whippoorwill. But I hear them. Whoo whoo. How would that go? How whippoorwill go? I don't know. Anyway. I was told some years ago that there were deers. I heard a deer over there where that blue car is on the other side in the neighbor's yard eating something. And that deer made it was a female deer, made the noise that was of, I've heard horses, but it's not as loud as, it's not a horse, but it's kind of a noise similar. That was a deer. She spoke to me. I don't speak animal language, but I like it when they talk to me. They stares at me, they watches me. Yeah. Let's get back to the birdhouse. Let's see if the bird have a nest in there. I don't think they got a nest in there. Do you see a nest in there? No, there's no nest in there. But I saw a bird came to this tree and lands along in here. I thought maybe it'll be in there. But one day, whatever bird lives in here will find itself a home. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to have to clean this up again so it won't grow over and I can walk through to the mailbox. This is my hummingbird feeder. If you can see it. Sometimes my eye focus ain't so super great. Where's the bird feeder? Can you see the bird feeder? It's by the tire. Oh, there it goes. No, it's by the tire. There's the bird feeder. It's not a bird feeder. It's a hummingbird feeder. It's a hummingbird feeder. I put that there maybe 3 years ago when I first cleaned this little area out so I can stand under it in the shade. And I get hot. Too hot. If I want to sit out for days, not for days, for hours out here, I can come under here and sit. There's a lot of things that's going to be done to make this a paradise. For me, the flying creatures, the crawly creatures, the four-legged creatures, to roam in peace and live the life that they came to live. Me, on the other hand, a child of the sun, from whence I came. Let me see, you can see that sunlight through there, from whence I came. Because I love the stars. I remember years ago as a little girl, probably 3 or 4. I died if I was 5. But where I sat in my bed all night and watch the moon pass the windowsill while my sisters sleep. Because I talked them to sleep, because all I did was talk and talk and talk and talk. Just that stuff in my head talking. I don't even know what I used to talk about, but it was everything. I guess I had knowledge I thought they needed to know. And they would sit there and they would just watch me, listen to me. Next thing I know, they would be asleep. And I would be left alone sitting in a bed with my own thoughts. They weren't bad thoughts. So I had two little friends I would talk to. An owl above my bed. And I guess I found out now my guardian angel sitting beside me, giving me someone to talk to. And I would talk to them and roam the dark houses with my invisible friends. I didn't speak of my invisible friends because back then that would get you. Geez, pick that. Probably a couple of other things. I was always mindful. If someone looked differently at what I was saying, I would not repeat it. I would keep it. But anyway, this is a moment in nature, spoken word, poetry for today. And I will see you next time on A Pixie Life. Bye.